girl SHEJACKIESAYS, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS.
what's cooking, what's poppin', SJS Nation, SJS fam? It's your favorite girl SHEJACKIESAYS, and I am back once again on your screens with another video. So in today's video is my first try on haul. Yay! Yeah, sure. So today is my first try on haul, and as you guys saw in my previous video, this is a Kantamanto thrift try on haul. Yes, and basically I've never done a try on haul. All I'm trying to say is, oh my god, the small dancing that I just did. Oh, so this is basically a Kantamanto try on haul, and as you can see in my previous video, in my second vlog, in my vlogmas week 2 video, I went to Kantamanto to do thrift shopping, which was part of my video. So in today we are going to try the clothes on, and yay, they are plenty. They are plenty. See, we're going to be trying them on and seeing how they fit. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share to a friend, share to a sister, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, she come on, she got to become papa, whatever. So without wasting more time, let's get right into today's video. So guys, this is going to be our first dress, and yes, this dress is actually, how should I even say it, I got this for 1 Ghana cedi, just 1 Ghana cedi. As you guys saw in the video, I went into Kanta, and this is a crocheted top for 1 Ghana cedi, which is apparently 17 cents. Yes, so let's try this on and see. So guys, this looks like a cropped top. So you could basically wear this with a high-waisted something if you're going to the beach, or you could probably style this in different ways that you want to. If you have a bodycon, you could wear this as a crop top or as something like that, and you have a different style. Yes, but the colors do not combine. If you have, I think these are way too hot colors, but someone could just rock them. But if you have something like white or black, you could combine this blue one with this, and it becomes a different design altogether with your bag, and you're good to go. So this, our first thrift attire, goes with different ones, and it doesn't really I don't know, I don't feel well, but all the same. So this is how the back looks like. Yeah guys, okay, so let's move on to the next dress. This is our next style, and it's also a crocheted crop something, and yeah, it's a thrift something, and I also got this for 1 cedi, which is equivalent to 17 cents. So this is something you could also wear like this, however way you'd want to style this. So basically I don't really want this thrift, so it has 2 holes. I don't know how you want to tie it, but hey, you could basically wear this like this, or you could wear it just like that, and it has this here, so you could also, because we are all separated, so something like this. Or if you don't want the back to be loose too, you could literally leave here, here. So however way you'd want it to be, this is basically how it looks like. So guys, let's move on to the next attire. So our next dress is also a crocheted top. As you can see here, is a netted top. So the reason why I bought a few of these similar tops is because we are in the Christmas season, and trust me, there's heat everywhere, especially if you're in Ghana around this time. So this is it, and this is how I style it. Oh my god, I don't want it. This one too, which also costs the same price, 1 Ghana cedi, and it also has some stuffs here. So I would personally wear this to a beach, or yeah, or probably daytime somewhere. So this is how, just a closer look. It has some stuffs here, which makes it nicer. Yay. I think, I don't know why I'm also wearing this with the black, but I'm quite sure I'm wearing a tube inside for you guys to see. So this is also just a simple top. Yes, costing just 17 cents here at Kantamanto, as I showed you guys. Yeah, so let's change into the next attire. So the next one is a skirt. As you can see, it hasn't been ironed yet, but I've washed all of them because they are second-hand clothes and you definitely need to wash them. So this one has a short inside. I actually thought it wouldn't fit, but there's some elastic thing here. So let's see how best I style this one too. Okay there guys, so this is it. It has shorts underneath it, as you can see, but you can't really remove it. So I searched and searched and I didn't know what top to put on this. I just decided to put this one on for you guys to see. So this is the skirt. It's a 2-in-1 something. Okay there guys, so there you have it. So this this apparently, so how much did I even get this one? This 2-in-1 skirt cost 51 cents. When you bring it to Ghana cedis, it was just three Ghana cedis at Kantamanto. And yeah, so let's move on to our next dress. So guys, also this is our next one. Also got it from the thrift market. This is also something, a joggers. So I'll soon start training, and these runners, these vests for runners, I just have like 4. I needed some few more, so I got this yellow one, and I got this one for yeah, I think also 3 cedis, equivalent to 51 cents here. And let's try this one and see. So this is how this one is also looking. Yes, it's some trainers, so you could just pair this one with your joggers or anything. You could wear it under underneath your t-shirt or something. This was just for 51 cents. And yay. So most important, as I said, when you come back, try and wash them, because if you don't wash them, trust me, you wouldn't like the smell of it. So we've tried 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5th attire. Alright, so I think without talking much, you guys have seen this one. Let's move on to the next one. So guys, our next one too, we still have another trainers. And yeah, so I wouldn't want to wear this one, so it's literally the same, but this is a lemon green and this one is a yellow one. So this like the same. I really don't want to waste your time on this one. So this is another one that I got. So yes, so let's move on to our next one. So guys, this is our next one that I got. So this one are shorts that I got. So I got this one because most of the times when I'm in the house, I often wear boxer shorts, that is male boxer shorts. And if most of you have been seeing me, those who have my WhatsApp contact or personal people who see me in the house, most of you see that I often wear boxer shorts a lot. So I just wanted to spice things up a bit. So I got this short. It's very easy. It has this elastic something at the waist. So let's try this one on too and see. This just something. So this one I got for 5 cedis, which is somehow equivalent to $1, not up to $1, but somehow close to $1. So let's try this one and see. Okay there guys, let me give you a back something. So this is it. So I could even equally use this one to do my workouts, my training and all those kind of stuff, because trust me, it's an easy something. Oh my god, oh my god. So it's quite easy to also wear. So yeah, there you have it. Let's move on to the next one. So guys, moving on to our next one. So for the shorts, I think I bought just 2. So we have this one too. I don't know how clear it looks, like a police uniform or something, but quite fashionable. So this is how it is. And yeah, I'm about to try this on for the first time. So guys, let me try this one too and see. So I got this one for 25 Ghana cedis. 25 Ghana cedis. This one wasn't really around Kantamanto, but you realize in the vlog I also went around Rollins Park. Yes, and this one was for, if you take it to dollars, it's $4.26, and I got this one. So let's try this one too and see how best it will fit. Your girl is becoming so fat. Okay, so guys, this is how this one looks from afar.
Looking so fly, SHEJACKIESAYS, young YouTuber, always on the tube trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way. Yes, no way. Always in the zone.
Okay then guys, so let's move on to the next one. So guys, our next clothes, I got this one for 10 Ghana cedis, which is actually equivalent to I think $1.70. Yeah, I think so, $1.70. That's basically, it's like a jacket, a cardigan. Initially I was thinking it was waterproof, but it's very light, so you could just style it with any attire that you want. So basically something like this is good to go, but trust me, it's, as you can see, it feels like it's rubber, and I don't know, I think Adidas something. Dopeworm.com. So this is how it looks when it's all buttoned up, something like this. It looks like this, yes. And when you open it, as you guys could see, so it's something fashionable you could wear. You could just pull it up like this, and I'm not sure it's, so see how the back also it's like. And I love the fact that it has this, so my hair yeah, so guys, I really love this. I thought I couldn't get this in any shop because I haven't actually seen anything like this before with my very own eyes, probably in a movie which I don't even remember. But hey, there you have it guys. So let's pose for the camera. So I think when we're done with this, we just move on to the next attire. So I styled this with the other, the cop, the police attire, the military or whatever down that I put. You could wear it with the sneakers or something like that, and you're good to go. We're feeling all guy already. So the day I went to town, the bag that I often use, the side bag, it got torn, Charlie. My Louis Vuitton bag that I don't know, I've been using it for quite, and I've been holding it, so I just wanted a backpack. And can you imagine that I got this for 10 cedis? That is also equivalent to $1.71, and the leather and everything is so good, and trust me. So I went to a market day, so probably I'm quite sure that is why the prices. So this is how I'm looking all bougie. Oh my god. So this is another bag, so I could just style it like this and I'm good to go. Or I could better, so I could just open it if I'm wearing, this is just a tube, but if I'm wearing a nice crop top in there, I could just wear it and I'm good to go guys. Boom. So let's move on to the next dress. Okay there fam, so moving on to our last, no, this is not our last, but we have some few other dresses left. This is a denim jean, and this one too, I got this for 15 Ghana cedis, and yeah, 15 Ghana cedis. So I'll definitely leave the link down below, and this is basically how it is. So let me wear this one too for you all to see. Okay there guys, so this is the next, it's a denim, it's a jean something, and I like the aspect that it has this thing here. And when I was buying this, I thought it wouldn't fit me, seriously, because it was big. And I love this at the back. Guys, this was less than $5. This is less, and I can't believe I had this. Trust me, this was damn cheap, but it's really cheap but affordable. Let me come closer a bit. As I said, this is the back. So I'm pairing these with some heels. Well, I wouldn't want to wear anything, or you could choose to wear something inside, but I feel the down part wasn't cut that much, and I have some pockets in here, and here I'm good to go. And I don't know if, I know this is not the correct color to add with this, but I decided to add it with this anyway. So I also got this bag too at Kantamanto. This was just how many dollars? I got this bag for 35 cedis. So I'll just leave down the conversion down there below. So this is it. This is this bag, and probably let me give you guys a much closer look. This is the bag. Yes, quite cute. So I could probably just wear it with something like this, and I'm good to go. Something like this. Sure. So guys, this is, so it's left with, we just have 2 more or 3 more clothes to go, and we are done with the haul today. And yeah, so moving on to our next one that we have is somehow similar, a denim car wash something. So let's try this on and see how this one. Okay, so guys, and I don't know, sake of I have makeup on my face, I didn't want to wear any white something, but I'll definitely want to. This is a black something, but it's a bit faded, so I'll definitely want to wear this one with a white inner, a turtleneck or a long something. I don't even like wearing car wash dresses. So this is the length, so I could wear something with this, then I could wear sneakers with this or something like that, and I'm good to go. It has side pockets, making wearing this thing really easy. And yeah, so basically this guys. So guys, this is the last attire that I have from my thrift haul, and I'll be wearing this. I was supposed to iron this one, but trust me, I'm not much of an iron person, so let's still wear this one and see how best it fits. It's just a normal straight dress, so I just got one dress, so let's take this off and wear this. So there guys, this is the last dress, and I so much love this. It feels very free, it's heavy, and yeah, so I'm pairing this with my bag here. So this is how it looks like. So if you just come closer, yes, guys, just brings me to the end of my try on haul. That is the first one of a kind on my channel. That is thrift try on haul, Kantamanto thrift try on haul. And guys, I really enjoyed trying all of these clothes on. They are cheap, they are classy, and I feel none of them were that bad, as you can see. So leave your comment below which one you liked most. Was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Which one do you like most? Personally, I'm loving this. I actually loved everything. So leave comments below on which attire you really like. It's still your favorite girl, SHEJACKIESAYS, your hostess with the mostest, bringing you the hottest, the juiciest, and I am out. Peace guys.
With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. With the power of a woman, SHEJACKIESAYS. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIESAYS.